Alright, so it's April 5th, about 5 o'clock, and I'm on Portage Lake again to give it a try. It just feels really good. I'm excited to get out here and try it for just at least a few hours. We had storms all day, but it's 75 degrees right now. I don't know what the water temp is. Down here by the ramp, it says 50. I mean, they should really be turned on and biting. There should be a lot of flow coming in by that creek that I like, and I'm gonna fish a rattle trap and just nail them. I'm shocked. I'm a little bit shocked. Mouth wide open, even smaller second. Good bass though. 3 or 4 pounds. But he wanted that red eye shad. Just 16.5 inches. I thought for sure he was 4.5, 5. Way up shallow. There we go, that's better bass. Look outside the mouth, let's see if we can get him in. Inches, getting a little bigger. Shoreline, I guess. Probably some wood there. It's a little chunky, 16-incher probably. Yep, chunky 16-incher. Camera's still on. Yep, we're good. Been here 45 minutes. Oh, he came off. 16, 17, not bad, not huge. A little dry spell, but we found another one. Temperature's dropping just a little bit. Wind's also changing a little bit. Feels a little bit more, like I said, it's calming down a little bit. Getting a little bit more out of the west. I'm gonna hit this little point that was, well, the fish seem to be stacked right here by these trees, and then work real tight to the shoreline and go around by the creek and try that area one more time, even though we only caught one fish over there. Hopefully this little wind shift and die down doesn't kill the bite. Right at the boat. 16 1/4. We found a pike. Well, today's been decent action now that we found a few. But it hasn't been all over. I expected it to be just killing it. 6:30 right now. We've been here an hour and a half or so. We've maybe got an hour and a half left. Slow down there for a while. Run down to the flat by the launch. Just down there for a little while. I think I marked some stuff here in 6-7 feet of water in the middle of this creek leading out of the exit creek. So I'm gonna go work back up with the 13 Fishing Loco Special that I just got. See if we can't get one of those bass to bite. Smallmouth. New Jersey. Little guy. Back up to our good little point. Finish off the night there. Feels pretty good. Biggest one of the night, I think. I don't know if he's the biggest one of the night, but he's bigger than most. Caught tonight. Almost 18. Carp maybe? Snagged a pike maybe? Big pike. Snagged it or caught it? big pike right in the back. Be interesting. It's a healthy, big healthy pike. Hold on, hold on, hold on. .33-inch pike, snagged. Kind of odd to snag a pike. We did. Do it. Not a bad night on Portage Lake. Kind of like when I came with my father-in-law. Just good bite for the first hour or so, and then it really slowed down more and more. And I don't know why. I mean, front kind of came through, wind changed, clear skies now, so I could be part of it. But I was hoping to get a 5-pounder here at sunset, finish off last fish, but not going to happen tonight. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and have a good day.